Hi, what's up, guys? Hope you guys are having a good Saturday, and yeah, I hope you're really enjoying it today, and I bet a lot of kids are enjoying it today 'cause it's Saturday, and in this video, I will show you, what's the difference between a Boeing 747 and a Airbus A380, and one of my one of my other videos, you remember this one? Took this one, this one's like my newest model, and both of them light up and stuff, and they both have a cabin, and they're the same brand. Don't forget the brand's called 24 Hours. And, sorry, in my reviews, these 24-hour models, I forgot to tell you that these planes come off the stand. Say you unscrew that, they come with this. So you just unscrew that and you just lift the plane off the stand. And same with this one. This one kind of has a little different stand, but yeah. Okay, let's just find out what the difference is. So pretty much, I already know what the difference is, but I'm gonna show you guys what the difference is. So, of course, the 747 has a very long nose, and I actually kind of like that version of it. It's more pointier and it helps the aircraft go faster. Now, the A380 does have a long nose, but it's like, it's not as long as the 747. The 747 is a way longer of a nose. And so that's one difference. And of course, this is Emirates and that's KLM. They're just different airlines. But the 747 has way smaller engines. They're big enough to make the plane have enough thrust, but the engines are a lot smaller than the massive A380 Rolls-Royce engines. Those are just massive compared to this. It's pretty small, but they're big enough for thrust. And so the 737-100 has a wingtip like this. And the A380 wingtip is like this. And you see that wingtip a lot on like A320s, A390s, teens and stuff. Some A320s have wingtips that are kind of like this, except they're like a little skinnier. And here's the other difference about the 737 and A3. 737 does have a teensy bit of a wider tail, and it's not as long as the A380. The A380, actually, I think the A380 does have a longer tail, but it just looks a little skinnier for some reason. And yet A380 has a very massive tail. It can fit about like 4 stories on that tail. It's just massive. And I'll give you a farther look from both of them. And here's this one. Now, the B747-200 and -300, and -100, I think. Well, those ones don't even have wingtips. Yeah, that kind of version doesn't even have a wingtip. They don't actually fly that version anymore. Yeah, they don't fly that version anymore, but they still fly the -400 and stuff. The new ones are called the 737-8. So, and they got way better engines. These are very beautiful engines too over General Electric. They're very good engines, but they're a little louder, and it actually has very quiet engines. and they're more powerful and stuff. So that's a new fact about the Dash 8 and stuff. And so yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Happy Saturday, and I'll see you guys in about 1 or 2 days, cause usually I make my videos in like 1 or 2 days. If that doesn't happen, if that just doesn't work out, like if it takes 3 or 4 days to make me post a video, I'll be sorry about that. I'll just tell you guys that I was busy and I didn't have time to make a video, but mostly I'll make my videos go after 1 or 2 days. I will. So it may take 1 or it may take 2, but if for some reason it does happen, if it takes like 4 or 3 days, I'm really sorry about that, but yeah, it's fine. So bye guys.